Oh no.
For the BMW homies. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Josh. Josh-a-roo. Captain Man. Today I'm out on the GSX-R. Non-shitbox edition. Josh-a-roo's on his expensive edition BMW. Oh, we have a fun day planned. He doesn't know what we're doing yet, but I do. What I don't know is where we're going to eat. The other thing I know is my gas light is blinking. That means we gotta get some gas. So we're gonna left here. Maybe we'll drift around the corner a little bit. A little sideways that time, buddy. I like it. Let's get some petrol over here. Gotta get some fuel. A-roo. 91 for the old puppy. You're my boy, Blue. For the homies.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, I got you too. For the BMW homies. All right, Josh-a-roo. Look at this fine mess we made. Would you get some new boots? What happened? You get a new job as a lumberjack?
Yeah.
Some work boots?
Why, you don't like him?
Long day in the factory? What are you doing? I mean...
I kind of like him.
Yeah, I like them. Like them if I was a lumberjack. Enough of that. You know where we're going to today?
No.
Today, we're going to a place called Whoop Axe. We're going to throw axes.
Yeah.
You ever been axe throwing before?
Yeah.
You've done it?
Uh-huh.
I've never done it.
Oh, it's fun.
So you know how to do it?
Yeah.
You throw shit.
Yeah.
At a wall, I'm assuming. All right, well, we're going to do that. Then we're going to go find some food. I don't know where, though, but we'll figure that all out. And then I'll tell you what we're doing after that. It's going to be a special day. Axe throwing. In the comment section below. Let me know. You guys been axe throwing yet? Throwing axes. Hello, Prius. With a trailer hitch. What do you think he's towing? What are you towing, Mr. Prius? I need to know. I know they can tow, though. One time, the club, back in the day when we used to ride dirt bikes together, the old club, he got a trailer from Kenda, I believe. He hauled like 3 dirt bikes out to the desert. Didn't seem to have any issues either, surprisingly. Oh, yeah. After we go axe throwing, we're going to find a place to eat. And then after that, maybe I have mentioned that I play drums. I think I have. I'm sure I have. Well, I have a show tonight at a local bar. I think I'm going to bring you guys along to that one. We have to get ready, man. I got to pack up the drums and then set them all up. And we're going to play for about 3 hours. Bar in Lake Forest called Our Place. I'm going to bring you along. It could be fun. I don't know, man. Maybe we should eat first. What should we eat? Should we just cheesesteak it? Let's do it. Let's just eat cheesesteaks. Yeah, let's eat, and then we're going to go throw axes, and then I'm going to go play drums. That's the plan, and I'm sticking to it. Let's see what kind of fine individual's driving this car. Tinted windows. The plan is spoiled. Spoiled or foiled? So, we're going to go to Philly's Best for a cheesesteak. Yeah, I know. We're going to do it anyway. We are going to do it anyway. Should we wheelie? I think we're going to wheelie. We're going to wheelie this bike. Fucking rev that one out a little bit. All right, all right. Or should we just go vegan? Oh, you know me better than that.
Where is it?
Called an audible. We're gonna eat first. Yeah, What? Nashville hot chicken cheesesteak. All right, Josharoo, Philly's best. We tried that Nashville hot chicken cheesesteak, and we got a traditional cheesesteak. Half and half. Yours with onions, mine without. Came out to about 25 bucks with tip.
Tipperoo.
Tipperoo. Philly's best, man. It's always pretty consistent. It's good. I love it. I'll tell you though, it does not compare to Booze. See, the difference between this place and Booze has real cheese whiz. And that's a something. That's a something. Real cheese whiz. You haven't had a cheesesteak with real cheese whiz, you're missing out. Philly's best, they have you can ask for cheese whiz, but it's not, man. It's like nacho cheese. Doesn't have that tang. Now that I said all that, I'm happy with what we ordered. I was pleasantly surprised with that Nashville hot chicken cheesesteak. At first, I didn't think I liked it, but then, man, it started to kick in. It was good, man. What was your take on it? Out of the two, which one did you like?
I like the original cheesesteak.
Yeah? Now, you recently had Booze. How do you think this place compares to Booze?
Booze is like...
Booze a whole nother level. Yeah, I agree there. What about that chicken cheesesteak?
It's all right.
Would you get it again?
Maybe.
Yeah. See, I don't think I would order one if I just came here on my own. I'd definitely still get the traditional cheesesteak. But if I was here with a friend, I'd go halvesies again. For sure.
Yep.
All right. Are you ready to whoop some axe? Yeah. Let's go do it. Oh. You know what? You're wearing the right boots for the job.
Oh!
Lumberjack shit right there. Yeah. Not bad. First meal of the day. It's getting a little hangry. Maybe you could tell in my my narration, man. It's a little short, a little bitchy. Hangry. Now I'm good. Now I'm good. All right. Axe throwing. We're going to throw some axes. Front row parking. Just for us. Whoop axe. We're here. You're wearing the right shoes. Closed toe shoes required. Are those steel toe? Oh, I bet they are.
Step on them.
Almost rolled my ankle.
It says no stupid people.
It says no stupid people? Oh, shit.
Are we allowed in there?
cars from the 90s, 80s, early 2000s. We'd love that you decided to come here tonight on your Saturday night, so strap yourselves in, alright?